Exploring the world of art journaling, a creative journey. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of art journaling. This form of creative expression combines elements of art and writing to create a unique and personal masterpiece. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, art journaling is a great way to explore your creativity. Let's get started on this exciting journey. Art journaling is a fusion of visual art and journal writing. It's a creative process where you can express your thoughts, feelings, and ideas through drawings, paintings, and words in a journal. Unlike traditional journals, art journals are more visual and artistic. They are a playground for your creativity, where rules don't exist. You can use a variety of materials like paints, markers, magazine cutouts, and even fabrics. Art journaling is not just about creating art. It's a therapeutic process that offers several benefits. It's a great way to reduce stress, as focusing on artistic creation can be a calming and meditative experience. It also boosts your creativity and imagination, giving you a safe space to experiment with different art forms. Furthermore, art journaling can be a powerful tool for self-reflection and expression, helping you understand your emotions and thoughts better. Starting your art journaling journey is easy and fun. First, choose a journal that resonates with you. It could be a plain notebook, a sketchbook, or a specialized art journal. Next, gather your art supplies. This can include pens, pencils, watercolors, acrylic paints, brushes, and anything else you like. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do art journaling. It's all about exploring and expressing yourself. Start by doodling, sketching, or writing whatever comes to your mind and let your creativity flow. Here are some tips to enhance your art journaling experience. Experiment with different mediums. Try combining different art materials to see what effects you can create. Use prompts. If you're stuck, use prompts or themes to get your creative juices flowing. Incorporate words and quotes. Besides visuals, add text to your pages for added depth. Be patient and kind to yourself. Remember, art journaling is a personal journey, and there's no need to rush or be perfect. We hope you found this introduction to art journaling inspiring and informative. It's a beautiful way to unleash your creativity and document your life journey in a unique and personal way. Happy journaling! And remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process.